How to make a portfolio in freelancing. If you're a freelancer looking for a job or just trying to build up your expertise in industry, putting a great portfolio on internet is key. Here are a few strategies for building a freelancer portfolio that will definitely get you the job. First, create your own freelance portfolio. No stealing, no copy-paste. Whether you're a web designer, developer, graphic designer, illustrator, creating your own portfolio is a great move. When you create your own portfolio, you get the opportunity to demonstrate to potential clients and employers what kind of work you can do. And your portfolio itself, it's a project you can use to showcase your skills. Number 2, include the most important elements. A portfolio isn't just a collection of all your past projects. In fact, a portfolio like that might look impressive to someone in your industry, but if you're trying to get hired by a client or hiring manager who is less familiar with the detail of your field, then you need to make sure your portfolio can bridge that gap. 3. Talk about your education. Showcasing your education is a great way to fill in any gaps in your portfolio, especially if you just learn new skills. Say you went to school for art and sold painting on your shop. It will give visitors more confidence in your abilities while you work on adding more projects. Number 4. Include testimonials. This is a completely optional step as your work can speak for itself. However, having a positive testimonial on your portfolio can give you the social proof you need to get new clients. A testimonial is a review from previous clients and people you've worked with endorsing your work. Think of them like the praise you see from other authors on a book cover. And just like your work samples features testimonials from the kinds of clients you want again in the future.